guys, we have a special unboxing. A present. Or maybe more than one present.
He's sniffing.
For Hudson, from Melissa Whitby. Our wonderful, wonderful channel
Look
supporter,
at his
Melissa.
paw. His paw's on your arm.
I know. I did the Dean's unboxing. Look, guys. I love my mom. Okay. Now, I ripped this open already.
All right.
Ooh, Hudson. What do you...
His nose is in the bag.
I found a card. Happy birthday, Hudson. Remember,
yeah.
April was officially the birthday month for Hudson, but we've extended it now in May into June.
Boop.
Every day is Hudson's birthday.
Every day.
Every day is Hudson's birthday. It's never too late for Hudson.
June.
Ooh, there's a card and a handwritten note.
Oh,
look at his precious.
Sleepy. Look, it looks just like Hudson.
Oh, it looks like Sleepy Hudson. Yeah. And when we had the little party hat on him. Dear Hudson, happy birthday to you. Just can't birthday anymore.
No.
Happy 11th birthday to the sweetest doggy ever. I hope you had an amazing 2 months of celebrating. See?
See, 2 months.
You being so much joy to everyone that you meet and knows you. Hopefully I'll be able to see you in person someday. Lots of love and hugs to you. Hudson, love, Melissa Whitby.
Nice job, Melissa.
Oh,
look at the sleepy guy on the front.
Let's put it right there. Oh, look. The little paw. Now,
look at him.
There's also a little extra note. Oh, this is a note to us. See, that was to you, Hudson.
Hudson, that was to you.
Dear Karla, James, and Hudson, to all of us. I hope that you're all doing well. So sorry that Hudson's birthday gift is so late. I had to wait for a check to arrive. I sent you an email at the end of April, but you were already out of the state. Oh, yeah. I just wanted your mailing address to send the gifts, but I was afraid to do that since you were not in New York City at the time. Remember, we had to go up to New Hampshire for that work assignment where I got the laryngitis, which I'm still have a little remnants of, but finally it's going away. I did find it from last time. I'm glad you're all back safe and sound. Thank you again for all the amazing live streams and videos that you guys make. I look forward to them so very much. Forever a fan, Melissa Whitby.
Oh,
Melissa, that's so sweet.
Fantastic job.
Thank you so, so much. Now,
Hudson's
the moment you all, including Hudson, have been waiting for.
Yeah, his nose in there. Look at he's in there. He's like, the canine carryouts.
Would you like one? Would you like a taco mini?
Oh, tacos. Keep them away from Jim.
Paw? Yes. Yes.
Look at him. He's like, yes, please.
You know he loves these taco minis.
He loves the tacos. Urban sombrero.
Look how cute these are.
Oh, that looks good. Ooh, they smell nice, too.
I know. They do.
Yeah.
Melissa?
Ooh, perfect job.
Extra good. He loves them. But like there's more. Wait, Hudson. Let's put this one on the side. Because there's something else in here. Something else in here. Oh, what's this?
Oh. Huds, what do you think?
It's blue tissue paper, so I'm not sure. Let's open it carefully.
Matches Hudson's neckerchief.
Let's open it carefully. Careful.
Oh. Oh. Yes. Absolutely.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Perfect. Melissa.
Yes.
Because you know Hudson was an ambassador for the Mets.
You gotta try it
for their pet adoption event. But really, I'm a Bronx girl. You know I love the Yankees.
You betcha.
Perfect. Now this is even better than his neckerchief now, because it slides onto his collar.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Keep it in place.
this is one that we can permanently have on for the whole baseball season.
Yeah.
I mean, of course, we'll wash it.
Baseball Hudson.
Baseball Hudson.
Home run.
Oh, home run.
Yeah. Look at Hudson.
Oh,
it's great.
Oh my God. Oh, it's perfect.
Oh, look at it.
Oh my God.
Huds, what do you think?
What do you think?
Give him a taco.
Give him a taco. Taco. Do they serve tacos at Yankee Stadium? I think they would at their.
Serve tacos anywhere.
Yeah, that's true.
Fish taco.
Oh my God.
Oh, he looks so perfect.
Oh, he's so perfect. Melissa. Oh.
Tino Martinez. Derek Jeter.
He wants another taco.
Scott Brocious.
James, can you do the honors and throw him a taco? What do you think?
Joe Girardi.
You know, because it's baseball. And he caught it.
Yeah.
Caught it. Home run. Home run Hudson.
Fielder's choice.
Hudson. Oh,
That's great, Melissa.
home run Hudson.
Fantastic job.
Okay, wait for another treat. There's
Look, he's
another
like-
gift. There's another gift
He's like,
inside
what?
here.
Wait, what? Oh, in the bag. His head is in the bag.
Okay, this is it.
Oh my God.
Oh, spiky bone toy with textured
Spiky.
surface and squeaker. Oh my God.
It has the double whammy.
Okay, hold
Don't
on.
hurt yourself. Get a scissor if you have to.
No, I got it. Strong.
Yeah, coast is clear. Oh, Melissa
Oh,
Whitby.
feel it.
Oh, let me see. Oh, it's a nice scrubby too. Oh, nice. Oh, look at Huds. He's like, wait, what was that?
Oh, what do you think,
Let's
Hudson?
go. Huds, coast is
Down
clear.
the hall with your new neckerchief? Yes. Come on. Let me check coast is clear first.
Sleepy
Hold
little
on.
guy. Huds. Huds, where's Huds going? Huds, to haul us out here. Yeah.
Okay, ready.
Here we go.
Oh, big shake. Whoops.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Oh, he's off.
He's off and running.
Oh, he missed it. Look at him. He keeps
Oh my
running.
God, he's so excited.
Oh,
Look at the leaps. Look at the leaps.
he loves
Oh my
it.
God, Melissa,
Whitby,
he loves it.
Fantastic job.
It's a hit. It's a hit. It's a home run.
Yeah, it's a home run. Look at him with his Yankee thing on.
Oh, he loves it.
Oh, throw it again. One more time. Throw it
Just,
again.
I want to just watch him for a second. Look at how he loves it. Okay, ready? Look at this.
He loves it. Oh my God, he loves it. You throw it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah. Here, I'll back up.
How was that pitch?
Oh, it's nice.
Oh, he loves it.
Oh.
One more?
Yeah, one more.
Rah, rah. All right, go for it.
Nice throw.
Home run.
Oh, that
Home
was a
run.
good throw. Huds, come on.
Did I hit the wall? Mm-hmm. You know, like, at Yankee Stadium.
Huds.
Huts.
Oh, Melissa.
Oh my
Whitby,
God, Melissa.
Fantastic job.
So extra, extra,
Here, let me
extra
zoom
good.
out. There we go.
Extra, extra, extra good.
Oh, fantastic
The
job.
Yankee bandana, the tacos,
Oh.
the toy, so cute.
Little guy in the car.
Oh my God.
Fantastic job.
He went to the bed and he's already like throwing it up in the air in the background. You guys are missing it.
Oh, fantastic
But Melissa,
stuff.
thank you so much for these belated birthday gifts.
You're in
It's
the
always a
shadow
birthday.
there.
It's always a birthday for Hudson.
Oh,
Thank you so
fantastic
much.
job, Melissa.